YouTube Wagwan, you tuned in to Click React, and today we're gonna be looking at some fails of the week, man. Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and tell me if one of these fails was the funniest one to you. We're just gonna get right into it. I'll see you guys later. This shit already look dangerous.
Oh!
Ow. Somebody's getting slapped with this paddle. Oh shit. At least they're not all life threatening. I know that stung. Oh no, I don't want to see this shit. Don't tell me it's an injury. Oh! Damn. Nigga, what? Wait, you were telling me that the tires on both tires on the left side just fell off. Like, who worked on your vehicle? Good thing he was not going fast. Wait, what? Yeah, you gonna take up that champagne or? Oh shit. My boy, you're gonna have to take this canoe on your own. That balancing act is not gonna work out for you. What the fuck? Wait, what? Yo, what? The man's gone off the yak. Oh, this one of those festivals. Oh no. My boy playing Hangman in the gym. Oh shit. Oh, you thought this was Fast and Furious? That car's gonna crash. Damn. I tried to go. Now, that's an explosion, right? Yeah. Oh! He got uppercut there. My guy, that makes no sense. You asked for that one. Honestly. Dumb. Yeah, you asked for that one. First of all, you're on a rolling chair. Oh. Boy thought he was about to hit the cleanest dive of his life. Ow. Honestly, that comes with the territory there. Wait, what? I'm out. This man's there videotaping that shit. I'm out. Oh shit. Yeah, you spin like a gig, my boy. Oh shit. The brakes! Yeah, she ain't getting invited over again. You ain't getting invited again. Do not slap yourself in the face.
Bring, hold this bottle down. Or I'll hold the bottle down.
Yo, is this screw in there?
I don't think I did it right.
Whoa.
You were pulling it?
Oh shit. Oh, nigga, why did you fall like that? I say you do not put that water on me. Dogs are so funny. The Allen goes Frazier. I'll be so pissed. Oh, it's a storm. Oh, damn. That shit is crazy. Like, everything is moving. Bro, the shit is moving the fences. Hold this drop. Yeah. Think you're crazy because you're a cat? And you have reflexes and shit? Do not throw up. Think you might be a little too big for that swing, man. Please drop in his head. Oh, you did not see the fan. Oh, yo, these things are dangerous, bro. Can you imagine if kids were on that shit? Up and away, bro. And it's flipped. Nah, kids were in that, they're done. Oh, wait, it looks like somebody is in it. Yeah, they did not secure that. They're getting sued. That's a lawsuit. Oh, there was a kid. Get pecked. What the hell is this? What creature is this? Oh, that's a beat. That should hurt. Bro, I don't care. If you're getting punched. Oh, shit. Nah. Oh, no. My heart's racing watching these people. Is he kicking her?
Why does this happen to me?
Uh,
I just wanted to make
did
a
you put
pizza.
plastic in there? That's why it happens to you. Yo, wait, what is that? What is that? Don't tell me that's like some snake or shit. Oh, it's a snake. Damn, bro. It's a fat ass python or something. Or a boa. Nigga, that's somebody's home? You gonna have to leave. You are not invited. Like, this is not a fail. This is almost death. Grab that nigga head, boy. Animal control services look like they're scared of this thing, man. Like, oh shit, that boy wrapping him up. Don't chirp. That's very disrespectful. Please show me karma. What is wrong with this old man? Bro, get inside. Like, these cats think they're invincible. That's their problem. Get your ass inside, man. Bro. If the man was standing in front of that, whoever that was standing in front of that, that could have been his head gone. Ooh, kangaroo. Don't fall. Drop it on the head. Yo, what is wrong with her?
Королевские размеры для королев. Ирина.
Mesmerized.
Что, хотел кнопнуть?
Oh, yo, what the fuck kind of dessert is this, man? This is too much.
Руками, Ирин, как все.
Bare heat in there, eh?
Тихонечко. И вот так отрывай.
What is this? She's in heaven.